Your mini keg will come with all the components that you will need to begin carbonating and dispensing your favorite beverages from. The kit will include a stainless steel growler, which comes in a variety of sizes, the dispensing head, a flow control faucet, the pickup tube, a faucet wrench, and a faucet handle. Assembling the mini keg is extremely easy. Begin by removing the cap by unthreading it from the mini keg. Next, grab the dispensing head and pickup tube, and install the pickup tube over the threaded portion of the dispenser. Once installed, measure the length of the tubing needed by setting it on the top side of the keg, and cut it to the appropriate length to be able to reach the bottom of the keg. Next, insert the tube inside the keg and screw the dispenser head on. Then grab your draft faucet and align it so that it is straight up and down. Screw the collar counterclockwise to secure in place. Once hand tight, use the faucet wrench to secure. The center of the wrench has a small bump that will lock into one of the holes of the collar. And lastly, screw the faucet handle on top of the faucet. The flow control faucet has a lever on the side of it which helps restrict the flow out of the keg when dispensing highly carbonated beverages. If the lever is pointed all the way to the back, it will be completely shut off. As you move the lever towards the front, it will allow liquid to start flowing. When the lever is straight forward, this is the fully open position. You're now ready to start making your favorite carbonated beverages at home.